Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Zoom Meeting ID or Zoom App ID in the mobile app. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Zoom app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main screen where you can access all of Zoom's features. Now tap on the Schedule button. This is where you'll set up your new meeting and generate a unique meeting ID. When the scheduling screen opens, you'll notice there's an existing meeting name in the designated field. Go ahead and delete that, then enter your event name. This helps you identify the meeting later, especially if you're managing multiple scheduled sessions. Below the meeting name, you'll see the Start option. Tap on the date right beside it and a calendar picker will appear. Select your preferred date from the calendar. This ensures your meeting is scheduled for the exact day you need it. Right beside the date, tap on the Start Time. A time picker will pop up, allowing you to select your preferred start time for the meeting. Choose the time that works best for your schedule. Next, below the start time, tap on End Time and select your preferred end time from the picker. Keep in mind that if your account hasn't been upgraded yet, the maximum duration is 40 minutes. This is a standard limitation for free Zoom accounts, so make sure your meeting fits within that time frame. Below the end time, you'll see the time zone option. Tap on it and select your preferred time zone from the list that appears. This is especially important if you're scheduling meetings with participants in different regions, as it ensures everyone joins at the correct time. Once you've set your time zone, tap Done in the upper right corner to confirm your selection. Now that all your meeting details are configured, tap the Save button in the upper right corner. This finalizes your meeting schedule and creates your unique meeting ID. You'll be taken back to the Meetings section where all your scheduled meetings are listed. Scroll down through the Meetings section and tap on the meeting you just created. This will open up the full details of your scheduled meeting. Under your meeting schedule, look for the meeting you created earlier and tap on it. Here you'll see all the important information including your meeting ID, meeting link, and passcode. These are the credentials you'll need to share with participants so they can join your meeting. The meeting ID is particularly useful for quick access, and the passcode adds an extra layer of security to your meeting. And that's it. You've successfully created a Zoom meeting ID and can now share those details with anyone you want to invite. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.